please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
In chapter 58, verse 9, of the Holy Quran, Allah, the Exalted, tells Muslims, that when they meet with people, like their family, and friends, they should only say, and do good things, which please Allah, the Exalted. They should not meet, in order to say, or do, bad things, which makes Allah, the Exalted, angry. All Muslims must remember, that even if they meet people in secret, so their family doesn't know, or see them, Allah, the Exalted, always sees, and hears them. So whenever they meet up with others, they should only say, or do those things, which are good. Speaking, and doing bad things, only leads to trouble, in this world, such as trouble, with the police. A person's friends, will not support them, if they get in trouble with the police, they will run away, and leave them, to face the punishment alone. Speaking, and doing bad things, also leads to trouble, in the next world. If a Muslim wants to be happy, in this world, and in the next, they should make sure, they only speak, and do good things, when they meet other people, like their family, and friends.